BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, BAHASHAM, RAWCHAA, QADASH. Double honors to GMS who told me this truth. Isaiah 5:20. Woe unto them that call evil good, and good evil, that put darkness for light, and light for darkness, that put bitter for sweet, and sweet for bitter. So BBC News story here. Lab-grown alternatives aim to cut palm oil dependence. So Indonesian farmers who were clearing land for palm oil and other crops were blamed for the fires and smoke that drifted across the sea to Singapore. Fast forward today, and her business has commercially released an alternative to palm oil that is created from yeast cells. So palm oil remains one of the world's most produced vegetable oil, accounting for 40% of the total. And then if we jump down, got some pictures there. So to try to reduce the world's reliance on palm oil, Miss Tiku, who was formerly an investment banker, and her co-founders set up C16 Biosciences in New York City in 2018, backed by multi-million-dollar funding from Microsoft founder Bill Gates. The company has spent the past 4 years developing and finessing their product, which is called Palmless. They grow a strain of yeast that naturally produces an oil with very similar properties to palm, which they harvest. The yeast is fed on sugars from sugarcane plants grown on land already used for arable farming. Our process takes less than 7 days from start to finish. For a traditional oil palm tree, the oil wouldn't be ready to harvest until years after the seed is planted, and most trees don't reach peak production until 7 years later. She adds that the company is now actively collaborating on partnerships in the beauty and home categories, for example, moisturizers, nourishing oils, soaps. It says we plan to enter into food in 2024. Another reason for the continuing popularity of palm oil is that it is very productive. So yeah, they're replacing something that's natural and found in the earth with their science, the genetically modified yeast, to create the alternative that's going to end up in the entire ecosystem.